请
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here comes a track by Hakka band Feel and the song called Siu Mian, which means smiley face. Now, the song explores society's expectations towards good people, and it also reminds the listener to express their inner self to take care of themselves, and that is true love. Let's take a listen.
天蒙地快樂呢，愛用伴會唔記得，咪嘅你獨大的幸福嘅小嘅，歡樂情緒都冇盡頭，步履都要的。
这首非常动人旋律的歌曲叫做《siu mian 笑面》，是来自于 Feel 有感觉乐团的歌，唱出社会对好人的期待，探索在努力迎合他人时，个人情感是如何被压抑。而歌曲温柔地提醒我们，学会要表达自己，疼惜自己，这才是真正的爱。Well, I hope this song called Siu Mian put a smile on your face. That is music from Feel. Thank you for listening. I am Joseph Lin.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.